Ever wondered how your devices connect to the internet? Or why cyber criminals are always after your online identity? The answer lies in something called an IP address. But what exactly is an IP address, and why is it so important? More importantly, what happens if it falls into the wrong hands? Stick around to find out. What is an IP address? An IP address, short for Internet Protocol Address, is a unique set of numbers assigned to every device connected to the internet. Think of it as your digital home address, allowing websites, apps, and other online services to find and communicate with your device. There are two main types: IPv4, e.g., 192.168.1.1, the most commonly used but limited in numbers; IPv6, e.g., 2001:DB8:FF00:4, 2:8329, the newer, more advanced version designed to replace IPv4. Every time you visit a website, stream a video, or send an email, your IP address is being used in the background to route your data. Why are IP addresses important? Your IP address is crucial because it enables communication. Without it, your device wouldn't be able to access websites, apps, or online services. Provides location data. Websites and services use it to show relevant content, such as local news or weather updates. Ensures security. Many platforms use IP addresses for fraud detection and authentication. But while IP addresses help keep the internet running smoothly, they also come with serious security risks. What happens if hackers get your IP address? If a cybercriminal gets hold of your IP address, they can track your location. Hackers can approximate your geographical location, which could lead to stalking or targeted attacks. Launch cyber attacks. DDoS attacks. They can overload your network, shutting down your internet. Access. Port scanning. Hackers can check open ports and exploit vulnerabilities in your device. 3. Impersonate you online. Criminals can use your IP for illegal activities, making it look like you committed the crime. Access personal information. Some skilled attackers can use your IP address to intercept sensitive data, such as emails, login credentials, or banking details. How to protect your IP address. To prevent hackers from exploiting your IP address, follow these simple steps. Use a VPN, virtual private network. Encrypts your internet connection and hides your real IP. Avoid public Wi-Fi. Hackers can easily intercept traffic on unsecured networks. Update your router security. Change the default password and enable firewall. Protection. Beware of phishing links. Never click suspicious emails or messages asking for personal details. Your IP address is your digital fingerprint. Protecting it is just as important as locking your house at night. Hackers are always on the lookout, but with the right precautions, you can stay safe online. Did you find this information useful? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cybersecurity insights from Cyberflux.